POV, you almost didn't go for a walk, but you did anyway.
Hi bestie, this is Mad. Sports Center was closed today, so I decided to walk around instead. Sometimes you need to move your body and clear your mind after a long day. Little walk, little run, but still making progress. Five kilometers lang tayo ngayon. At masyado na rin gabi. Anong oras na ba? 9:40 na. At 5 kilometers pa. Nagko-cool down na lang tayo. Sarado ngayon yung sport complex. So, nandito tayo sa Marikina City Hall. Ikot-ikot lang tayo here. Okay. Ikot-ikot lang yan. Ito yung second option ko kapag sarado yung sport center. Ganda din dito. 1 hour later, 5 kilometers done. Feeling refreshed and proud of myself. Again, this is Mad. Stay glowing and see you on my next video. Yan tayo tumatakbo guys. Diyan, ikot here, papunta, ikot doon, tapos ikot ulit dito. Maliit lang yan, pero safe naman. Ito ang mga sasakyan, medyo maingay. Pag walang sport complex, dito rin sila naglalaro.